Greetings, greetings, greetings. My people, how are you this morning? Welcome to reading number 11 from the Jamaican New Testament, a series of readings in honor and memory of my mom, Hyacinth Richards. And we are going through the story of the birth of Jesus Christ. So today, and as I always tell you, reading from the Jamaican New Testament, but if the Jamaican language is not the language that you understand and hear deep down in your spirits, then please feel free to follow along in a version or a language that you understand at a heart level, that you don't have to process it to understand what it means. Yes, so thank you to all who have been following the readings so far. If you are on YouTube, then please go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that you will receive notifications when there are new readings or new information on the channel. If you are on Facebook, as usual, feel free to share it with your friends. And whether you're watching on the live or on the replay, welcome to reading number 11. The good news about Jesus, as according to Luke chapter 1 from verse 1 to 24. Tiafalasa, whole heap of people try to write down the sitting there what happened amongst we. Them write it down. Same way how them hear it from the people them where they did it from the start. See the sitting them what happen and we preach the word. Honorable Theophilus, must study everything from the start and make up my mind for write and tell you what happened. So you will know, say where you hear a true sitting. When time Herod did king in Judea, one priest did there named Zachariah. Him did belong to the Abijah group of priests them, and his wife Elizabeth did one of Aaron family. God sister the two of them did good somebody. Cause them live, or him want them to live, them do all away and tell them to do, and nobody couldn't point no finger upon them. But they never have no picnic, because Elizabeth couldn't have none. Plus, the two of them did well old. One day, Zachariah did do priest work in a God house, because film group of priests did upon duty. In a them day, the priests them used to come together and draw a name to see which one of them fi go burn incense in a God house. This year time here, as Zachariah name get picked. When at the time, and Zachariah go in a God house, the people them when they gather out a door, did a prayer. One of the Lord angel them come to Zachariah and turn up on the right hand side at the incense altar. When Zachariah see him frightened so till, the angel said to him, "No afraid. God hear your prayer. Elizabeth, I got have one picnic for you. And you fi call him John. Him a go make you well happy. And enough people are go glad when him born. Your boy picnic a go special in a God eye. Enough he drink no wine or no other strong drink. The Holy Spirit a go control him from in a mother belly. Him a go bring back whole heap of Israel people to the Lord. Where them God. Him a go before God with the same spirit and power like what Elijah did have. Him all go make Father come back, come love them picnic. And the picnic them, whenever did I hear God, I go start think like good somebody and do it right. And that way there, him a go make people ready for the Lord. Zachariah go ask the angel, "Oh, me go know say a true sitting you attack. Me a one old man and my wife no young neither." The angel tell him say, "Me and Gabriel. Me turn up before God And he sent me to talk to you and to tell you the good news. But true, you not believe me. You now can talk till when me tell you about, Same time this I go on, the people out that door did I wonder when make him take so long to come out of God's house. Zachariah come out, but he couldn't tell them nothing. Them no sense see one vision in a God's house, because they insist say he couldn't talk, and Ongla make sign to them. When Zachariah done doing priest work in a God's house, he go back in yard. After that, his wife get baby. So she turn her yard for 5 months. She say, the Lord do this for me. Them day, God show me good face. So me not for shame when me demons other people again. And God word this. Thank God. Tomorrow the story continues. So tune in one more time, same place for another reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Until then, may I beg you know, who are good and one love.